Quick tip. Ever had an instance where you're trying to select all the faces of a part, and when you turn around, it even looks like you've selected all the faces of the part, but if I were to say offset these faces, it actually didn't select these inside faces of this hole. Well, that's a problem I was running into recently, and I just found the solution to fixing that. The problem is under the selection filters, under these options, if you don't have select through checked, Fusion will only select the faces that are visible from a given orientation, and it's a little bit hit or miss as to what it's actually selected. It looks like it's selected here, and even if I do a section analysis, it tricks me and it makes me think that these faces are selected, but I'm going to go ahead and do offset face again, and here I can tell, turn analysis off, here I can tell it was not thorough about what faces got selected, and it was lying to me with highlighting blue faces. It was lying to me about what it actually selected. So let's do that again with the selection filter select through turned on. Now if I look at this part with the hole facing away from me and I select everything, it looks the same as it did before, and now when I try to say offset face, now I can see that truly every face has been selected and all the faces will offset correctly. So if you're having issues selecting all faces with a window select and it seems like it should be working but it's just not, that'd be one thing to check. Make sure you have select through turned on.